Today I'll be discussing how C3 Generative AI can help streamline work in the manufacturing space. In the current landscape, manufacturing employees like service techs, engineers, or operators can spend up to 1 in 5 of their workdays searching for critical information. For those of us who have worked in a plant, we know they can be old and have gone through multiple iterations of knowledge management systems, leaving information scattered and hard to find. This results in longer lead times to properly maintain equipment, identify quality issues, resolve root causes, and troubleshoot. We're all familiar with enterprise websites and file stores. While their advantages include excellent enterprise access controls and no IP liability exposure, they are limited to only keyword matching. Full contextual answers are not possible. C3 Generative AI addresses all of those concerns as an enterprise data co-pilot, which enables users to rapidly locate and act on organizational knowledge through an intuitive chat interface. The benefits of the application include deterministic responses that are fully traceable to ground truth, which minimizes hallucination, and that's extremely important. You want to make sure that you're getting accurate information in a manufacturing environment. There's also no IP liability exposure or incremental cybersecurity risk, because we've enabled full enterprise access controls. C3 Generative AI is also large language model agnostic. This is extremely important so your organization can be positioned to quickly deploy new and improved large language models as they come to market. Any type of file, unstructured data type is compatible with the application. That includes text files, PDF files, Word documents, PowerPoints, web pages, and Markdown files. And we've seen some pretty amazing results from enterprise adoption of C3 Generative AI, including up to 92% reduction in time required to access information, a 60% increase in efficiency, and upwards of 90% plus accuracy in responses.